Are you looking to reduce your insurance premiums? Wondering how to save more money on your insurance costs? We all feel the pinch of high insurance costs and the longing for a little relief. This video is your key to unlocking those savings. We'll share actionable tips and tricks, from policy bundling to home security improvements, maintaining a squeaky clean driving record, and even shopping around for the best quotes. Stay with us and find out how to keep more money in your pocket. Our first tip is about bundling your policies. Picture this: you have auto insurance with one company and home insurance with another. Now imagine bringing those two policies under the same roof. Yes, that's bundling. Many insurance providers offer substantial discounts when you bundle multiple policies with them. It's like buying in bulk. The more you buy, the more you save. So next time you're shopping for insurance, consider bundling your policies. Bundling policies can be a key to unlock savings. Next, let's talk about home security. Beefing up your home's defense can significantly reduce your home insurance premiums. Consider installing a top-notch security system. It's a surefire way to deter thieves and impress insurers. Don't forget about smoke detectors either. These little devices can save your life and your wallet. Lastly, sturdy deadbolt locks can go a long way in keeping unwanted guests out. So remember, investing in your home's safety not only brings peace of mind, but also financial benefits. A safer home can mean lower insurance costs. Another avenue towards lower premiums is through your driving record. You see, a clean record, free of accidents and tickets, is like gold in the eyes of an insurer. It tells them you're less likely to make a claim, and this lower risk translates into lower premiums for you. So play it safe on the road. Always wear your seatbelt, follow speed limits, and avoid distractions. Remember, safe driving not only saves lives, but also money. Finally, don't forget the power of shopping around. The insurance market is competitive and full of options. It's essential to gather quotes from a variety of providers to ensure you're not overpaying. Loyalty is commendable, but it's worth remembering that staying with the same insurer out of convenience might not always result in the best rates. The key to savings is in the comparison. Different companies may offer different discounts and benefits, so it pays to explore. So, take your time, compare, and save. So, those were some effective strategies to reduce your insurance premiums. Let's quickly review. Bundling policies can help you get discounts. Enhancing home security not only makes your home safer, but also lowers premiums. A clean driving record is a surefire way to keep your car insurance costs down. And don't forget to shop around. Comparing quotes can lead you to the best deal. Remember, a few smart moves can help you significantly cut down your insurance costs. Start saving today